Keep checking those Target stores. Bill here at St. Pete Target, where we just found Ratchet, our Studio Series 86 Ratchet. Voyager size. Everybody's been looking for him. And we still got one more gamer Optimus Prime here, number 103. And let's see, Trashmaster. And the only other thing I've seen is the Air Razor Beastmaster, which we haven't seen that many of. There's your Ironhide and Bumblebee. Everything else looks the same, but we've got Ironhide, or we got Ratchet, and we've got gamer Optimus Prime here at Target. Rodimusbill.